Good morning. It is Monday, April 22nd, 2024. Look like we are getting a little bounce. If there's a bigger bounce, I will reload my bear spread on the SPY. But let's take a look at GNRC, something that I have not talked about or looked at for a while. I'm surprised when I open the chart to see how strong it is because it is at basically resistance, gap gap down, right? Not a surprise that it rejected here. Not a surprise it rejected here. Here, well, look like it's fighting it. Look like it's getting above it. So right now it is above that level of resistance. But does that mean I'm going to turn bullish? If the market was stronger, I would turn bullish on it because I would look for the gap fill, right? But I don't believe this move. Um, I would say be cautious. If anything, I'm looking to do a bear spread on this. If it get anywhere near the 140 again, what would be the trend? Have you seen Home Depot? Take a look at Home Depot stock, lows. So it's kind of moved against um, the direction of this sector as far as home building related. Home Depot, if you look at the XHB, the home builder ETF, it's been going down. So it's kind of weird how this one has done basically the opposite of what other home builder stocks are doing. So I don't think that trend is going to continue. So I will make a bear bet on that. I could be wrong, but for me right now, that's how I see things play with GNRC. I don't see a boom in home building and sales for GNRC. Let's take a look at some. Next one would be OKTA. It is back into the zone of support. If you look to nibble, I would say maybe 90, right below the 100 MA. Oh, if the market continues to have another 2 or 3% correction, you bet it's gonna test it. If anything, I would feel safer to sell put spread down here at the 200 MA. This thing can come down, so watch out. Okay, it's back into the zone that should be support because it was strong resistant for a long time. So yeah, keep your eyes there. If you want to nibble, might be a start. Small. I did buy a little bit of Roblox last week, but then when it did this, I said, okay, hold off. Okay, it filled the gap. Well, the same gap that it filled and bounced the last couple times, right? But when I did this, I had to be cautious. Okay, gotta be cautious. I bought very small, but that being said, I do have a stop. Low of day. Okay, low of day. As far as Friday, for me to say bye bye, and then down here, okay, at 32 ish. That's my re-entry target when it filled the other gap. And if the market keep coming down, I'm repeating myself, things will go to another level, right? Just be careful. This down move is not, let me repeat, this down move on the general market is not likely to be over yet. Any bounce should be a chance for you to trim or look to short. At least that's what I am doing. Okay. Last one. I'm definitely looking to short this one. AXP. If I see 52-week high and look like it will open this morning, at the open, I will look to do a bear spread. Where? 232, 222, $10. Okay, it's gonna be a $10 spread, bear spread, going out 3 to 4 weeks. That's what I'm doing. Yes, the earning is good. They reiterate numbers for the year. Uh, if you believe the recession is coming sometime later this year, then certainly AXP would not fare very well. It's a big debt holder. Okay, that's it. That's a quick one for Monday. Let's start the week on a good note.